Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a new product for Candy, my dog, and we will see her reaction. Hello, Bonvepet sent me this pet nail grinder. Don't worry, all information about the store in Amazon you will find below in my description box, plus a 20% discount for you. Yes, this video is the first part, okay? We will open the product and let's see the first impression of my dog. So we will open the box and let the dog sniff, okay? And this is very important. First, she has to familiarize with this before using it with her. And this is the pet nail grinder. Wow, it has a good size. I love it. It looks easy to handle and it doesn't heavy. Great. Also came a USB charging cable. And oh, please don't forget to play with your dogs a little. Pets have to understand that the new item is a new friend. Okay, let's continue. This is the USB cable. Sorry for that crazy moment of Candy, but she's so happy and playful with the nail grinder. It's a good sign. We will plug it here first, and I have the other plug to charge it. And don't forget to reward your dog with few cookies, okay? Now let's remove the protective cover. And with this diamond bead grinder, you can grind your pet nails, safe and painless. And also came the second grinder for the future. And also came the booklet to follow instructions. Now let's turn on. Are you listening? How soft is it? And right now you can see how my dog is. Un cookie, come here. Un cookie, okay? Stay. And do you see, Candy is so happy with this pet nail grinder. Oh my god, awesome. Okay, she's not afraid, thanks God. Thanks Bonvepet for amazing product. It has 2 speeds with a low noise and gently vibration. It's not only for dogs, you can use in cats and other pets. It's wireless, rechargeable, and work 8 hours when you charge it. Did you know that Bonvepet passed extremely quality control before sending the product to you? Guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up and comment below if you want the second part of the video where I will use this pet nail grinder with my dog. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. Thank you, Bonvepet. See you next time. Bye bye.